try some coconut coffee.
In this night of starry sky, my baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt.
Today we are at Sontra Marina. Tell me this doesn't look like you've just walked into Greece. This is crazy. They normally come with like little crunchy bits. Oh, crunchy bits of coconut on the top.
And you can still go get it.
Yum. Definitely my favourite coffee here. Cheers! For dinner we've come to Casa Loco, which is a Mexican in Da Nang. We got recommendations from a friend that this place is really good, and so far so good. I got a little vegetarian burrito, which I'm so excited to eat. We saw on TikTok there was a massive supermarket, so of course we had to come and explore. It actually looks like the biggest supermarket I've ever seen in my life. Already extremely overwhelmed. I literally don't even know where to start. There's all this stuff. These look good. They're like chocolate with like little biscuits. Oh my god, little ice cream cones. Cheese. That's what I thought too. I think it's cheesecake. There's so much to look at. This is what we've got so far. I don't even know what I bought in the end. No idea. This morning we've gone out for brunch. Got caramel macchiato and some avocado on toast. Breakfast here looks so yum. Go to the Marble Mountains.
156 steps.
Here we are. There's an option to get the elevator up, but we're gonna do the steps. The steps weren't actually as bad as we thought it was gonna be. The caves just keep going and going, don't they? Is this the end? Wow. It's not even gonna do justice how big this statue is. There's loads of little stalls to get your picture taken, so we're gonna get our picture taken, but it just cost us £1.50 to get like a professional photo in front of the Buddha. That is us done here. We've done a lot of walking today, so we're gonna go back to the volunteer house for a few hours before heading out for the night markets, the firewater show on the Dragon Bridge. And we bought model planes. Tonight we are at the night markets before headed to the Dragon Bridge for the firewater show. So far I bought magnets and some matching pens with everyone. Everyone's got matching pens. All our purchases have been made and now we're going to go over to the Dragon Bridge. We've got a pretty good spot. There's a good few minutes between every burst. Oh my god. On Google Maps it says that it takes 2 hours to drive to Bana Hills. Here we are, having left thinking it was a 2-hour drive, but it was actually only a half an hour drive. So we're now here an hour early. We're the most keen people to get up to the Golden Hands Bridge. I'm actually laughing at how dead it is here. Our driver was just saying that anyone that is kicking about is staff. We are now on the longest and the highest cable car in the world. 2009, 100%. Not sure if it's still. Yeah.
15 years. He's even wise.
At the top of the first cable car is Golden Hands Bridge. Foggy as well. Wow. I just can't believe we're here. This has literally been on my vision board for the longest time. Ah, we're here. There's more picture guys and we got more pictures. Yay. Here we. Aww. I love that photo.
Yeah, it was like
we're now up at the main theme park. Pretty dead. Everyone's freezing. Oh my god, be careful.
had another fall today already.
It took us a really long time to find anything in the fog. We only found Adventureland and we're going to go into one of the 5D cinemas. Nice to sit inside as well because it is really quite cold. I'm going to go on the drop ride next. Quite a lot of the rides here are actually closed. On the Alpine coaster. Oh my god. Woo, chilly. You had to pay a little bit extra for the Alpine coaster. It was 70,000. Oh, it looks so cold outside. It was actually so fun. Just the last bit that pulls you up. Got 2 cheesy coins. I'm so excited to try these. We're doing a little lantern making class in HOI AN because the rain is pouring. The thing that we had planned to do was outside. This is the little fabric I picked. This glue smells so strong. I glue her on. We just stretched it. This only cost 150,000 per person. £3 coming, yeah, first panel. down. These are our finished ones. How cute! Good morning from the lovely Hoi An. We are at the coconut boats this morning. Fortunately, the days that we've picked to come to Hoi An, it's very rainy. We're just waiting on a driver to take us from the cafe out on the coconut boats. I think it's called the Boat Cafe. There we go.
Where you were from?
Scotland.
What?
Scotland. This is so cute. I love the little hats.
So cute.
Oh my god. I'm scared of the spinning. Very slow, please.
200, 100.
You have to pay a little bit extra to get spun. But Rebecca's off. Look at her go. I literally cannot get over how busy it is. It's so busy. There's so many people here. Turn my back for 2 seconds and Rebecca's got her hair stuck in a bird. Almost free. Oh. We're free. We're free. Yay. Oh my god. We're away on a boat trip tonight. How cute. It's got little lanterns all around it. The place is kind of flooded from yesterday, but the boats are still going. The boats are of course still going. I'm so excited. We're in Da Lat today and we've just made it to, which if you don't know what it is, they have that big slide where you go down on the dinghies. These are the little tickets we got and they were 100,000 with a bottle of water. Thank you. As well as their big slide, they've also got a bunch of farm animals. Here's the big slide. Oh my god. We done it twice and we ended up going down backwards the second time.
Yeah, of course.
We're now at Crazy House, which I don't really know what it is. I think it's just a hotel, but we've climbed up all these weird buildings. Everywhere you turn, there's another corridor you can go down. It's so random. Like, look all down here. Look at this place. This building looks so cool from the outside. Dinner time. We're at Trang's Cookery. We've got pizza. I got half lemon and ricotta and half truffle and mushroom. We're just waiting on Rebecca's coming now.